the wood, I've recast the same hook, so it's already had a fish on it. So I'm not only I'm checking the durability of the point. I never do that. I always change hooks no matter what, which is a bit crazy while I play a fish, because if I lose it, I know why. I'll be telling myself off. Oh, look at that water. Oh, look at that, Nick. That's a ton. That's a ton all day long. Go on, son. Yes. Well, that's the biggest fish ever on that hook.
Chris, what do you reckon?
Probably just done a ton.
We ready, Nikos?
Yes,
Let's have a good look at it. Look at that! Hey! Woo! Look at that. Mega.
And went straight out in the boat. We were so excited to be into our first carp, and it was such a good sign that one of those clear areas had already produced a bite. So Henry put a H-block out when he marked the clean spot in between the weed, and the fish has gone round the H-block, so not only is he pulling in a 48-pound mirror carp, he's also got 2 massive leads attached to the end of it. Oh, come on, mate. Look at that backdrop. This is why we do it. H-block. It's a linear. It's a linear. It's a linear. It's a linear. No way.
Got a linear.
We've got a lin.
You're gonna catch it. The H-blocks come off.
Oh yeah, look at the state of it, look.
Ooh. Yellow citrus hanging out his mouth.
And we go dum dum to the dum. To the dum. Come on, come on. Yes, lad.
Look at that.
Not bad for the first one, that.
Cool little carp, innit?
Lovely,
No,
man.
we'll definitely take that. First one. Not even been here 24 hours. Plenty more to come, I think. Yeah, happy days.
Right here in front of us. I got it. Oh, goodness gracious. It's right there. Oh, it's eating them. It's eating them. Are you serious? Take it easy on that, man, because I don't want to give it too many options. Dude, if we can get one to eat that, it's going to be nuts. Brandon's got it. Brandon's got it. Dude, we saw that happen. That was insane.
Yeah, it's a small one too.
And it's a small one, apparently. What a beauty. This is your 4-pound line, is that right?
Yeah. You see it's got a knot right there?
Oh, Brandon.
Yeah, freak.
Oh, wow. That was wild. Man, it's kind of a pretty fish. That one ain't fighting with trash. So that's the little one. Perfect hook set. All right, gorgeous. Come here. Oh man. Is that one of the smaller ones you've seen?
Still a good one, though.
I mean, it's fighting a lot more now than it was when we originally hooked it. Good. Alright, I'm just gonna take my shoes off and do this. I had it. I literally gripped as hard as...
It just woke up.
Really? Jeez, now it's all the way out there. We need something. Okay, I got it. I got it. There it is. Oh, man. Wow. Man, it's bigger than I thought. It's a pretty good size. You got her? Let me get that hook out for you.
Hold it out. Yeah? There's our first one.
Just as the pads come up, and it's been out a few hours now and not gone, I thought that was too bright sunshine for that to get a bite. But I can see carp there now. And I've had an absolute melter. It's a nice fish, this. Oh.
The banger.
Yeah, looks like a nice one, £20 leather, I think.
On leather?
Yeah. Oh. Oh, he's going. What's the chances of that timing? You put your net away and then up one, I run around with my net and then as I'm walking back it just melts off. Luckily it's only a little lake, isn't it? It's a lovely carp. Oh, I think I know what one that is. Bro, that's one of the sick ones. I think that's one of the sick ones. Come on, get in the net. Yes. I think that's one of the good ones. Oh my God, I think that's... I could be wrong because there's a lot of bangers in here, but I'm pretty sure that's a fish called jack. A really old one, round little fins and a big scale. Another 30-pounder that, I think.
2 30-pounders. You lucky bastard. Well done.
That's a lovely carp. I think it's actually a two-tone, really old, slate grey, petal scales. The fish in this lake, I keep saying it, feast your eyes. Lovely, lovely carp.
A skinny guy can run faster than a fat guy. Man, he's still a good size one. It's hard to like, oh, other line. Wow, this is crazy. Man, see, this is why you go for carp. I mean, you know, bass are fun. It's fun fishing with lures and catching, you know, good sized bass and everything. But even if you have to wait a little bit for carp, pound for pound, I mean, they're way bigger than bass, and I mean they fight harder. I don't know. If you can get good action, then they're a lot of fun. But if it's a long time between each fish, it kind of sucks. I think I've said that every time I've gone carp fishing. Yeah, he's a long one. He's longer and lean. You know, it's hard to say how big he is. I've been off every time I've guessed, so I'll just keep my mouth shut. Man, I'll lose my drag up, just play him out, enjoy the fight a little bit. Look at that. All right, I think he's ready for the net. Oh, almost didn't get him there. He's in the net. You're mine, buddy. Well, here's the smallest one of the day, coming in at 18.5 pounds. So 3 fish, smallest one's 18.5. I'd say it's pretty good. One of my best carp days I've had so far.